Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss a very important topic. This is not only for knowledge purpose but also build your capacity while operating PC at home on daily basis. Dear friend, today we will learn about definition of computer, component of computer, classification of computer, generation of computer, storage unit and some important things about IT. Dear friends, I will ensure you that after watching the full video, you have ample knowledge about IT. So let's start. Computer definition and meaning. A computer is a programmable machine. The principal characteristics of a computer are: it responds a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner, and it can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions. Modern computers are electronic and digital. The actual machinery, wires, transistors, and circuits is called hardware. The instructions and data are called software. The main components of computer are: memory enables a computer to store data and programs. Mass storage device allows a computer to permanently retain large amounts of data. Common mass storage devices include solid-state drives or disk drives and tape drives. Input device. The input device is such device through which data enter in a computer, like keyboard and mouse. Output device. Such devices through which computer accomplish the given task, like screen, printer, etc. Central Processing Unit (CPU). The heart of the computer. This is the component that actually executes instructions. Dear friends, in this slide you can see the components of computer. In the left hand side there is CPU. Below CPU there is mass storage device. In the right corner there is a printer, which is an output device. And in the center there is a screen, which is also an output device. Under screen there are keyboard and mouse, which are input devices. Dear friends, all above components are hardware. Classification of computer. Computers are classified by size and power with considerable overlap. Personal computer. A small single-user computer based on a microprocessor. The main components are keyboard, CPU, and screen. Workstation. A workstation is like a personal computer, but it has a more powerful microprocessor and a higher quality monitor. Mini computer. A multi-user computer capable of supporting from 10 to hundreds of users at the same time. Mainframe. A powerful multi-user computer capable of supporting many hundreds or thousands of users at the same time. Supercomputer. An extremely fast computer that can perform hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Friends, in the next two slides, we can learn about the generation of computers. Dear friends, the period of first generation computer is between 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tube technology was used in the phase. In the second generation, during the period 1956 to 1963, transistor technology was used in the computer. During third generation 1964 to 1971, circuits was used in the computers. In the fourth generation, during the period 1972 to 2010, microprocessors were used in the computers. During the fifth generation after 2010, artificial intelligence emerged as new technology. Dear friends, in this slide you can see the data storage units from the smallest, that is bit, to the maximum, that is yottabyte. Here we can also see the abbreviations as well as storage capacity of units. Dear friends, now we can discuss some important questions and their answers, which might be asked in upcoming exams. The term computer is derived from Latin. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. The basic operations performed by a computer are arithmetic operation, logical operation, and storage. Who is the father of internet? Vint Cerf. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as multiprocessor. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, barcode reader, graphics tablet are input devices. Monitor, printer, speaker are output devices. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is scanner. WWW stands for World Wide Web, a collection of system programs that controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system is called operating system. What type of operating system MS-DOS is? Command line interface. Which technology is used in CD? Laser. The brain of any computer system is CPU. Which are components of CPU? Arithmetic, logic, and control unit. The first digital computer introduced was named as Mark I. How many generations computer can be classified? 5. First generation computer contained vacuum tubes. Second generation computers are made of transistors. Third generation computer contain circuits. Fourth generation computer contain microprocessor. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. Computers combine both measuring and counting are called hybrid. In world today, most of the computers are digital. In any computer installation, how many elements consist? 3. Physical structure of computer is called hardware. Who developed the analytical engine? Charles Babbage. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. The brain of any computer system is CPU. The time taken by CPU to retrieve and interpret the instruction to be executed is called as instruction cycle. ROM stands for read-only memory is permanent memory. Responsible for all types of calculations is ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Two kinds of main memory are ROM and RAM. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch. Which storage device can store maximum amount of data? Hard disk. The arranging of data in a logical sequence is called sorting. Abacus was the first mechanical calculator. Instructions and memory address are represented by binary codes, which was the most popular first generation computer, IBM 650. When was the world's first laptop computer introduced in the market and by whom? Epson 1981. From which generation operating system were developed? Third generation. Properly arranged data is called information. John Napier invented logarithm in 1614, which is the largest computer, mainframe computer. The personal computer industry was started by IBM. When was the X Windows system born? 1984. What is the first stage in software? An error in computer data is called bug. People working in a computer center are called humanware. The memory which is programmed at the time it is manufactured, PROM. Which memory must be refreshed many times per second? Dynamic RAM. From which generation computers the printers were used? Second generation. Which technology is used in CD? Laser. What is a light pen? Optical input device. Who invented punch cards? Joseph Jacquard. Which device is required for the internet connection? Modem. Dear friends, in this slide you can see and learn the short keys of MS Word. For example, to open a document, short key is Ctrl plus O. To create a document, short key is Ctrl plus N. Dear friends, in this slide you can see and learn the short keys of MS Excel. For example, close a workbook, short key is Ctrl plus W. To open a workbook, short key is Ctrl plus O.